Hello students, question is operating system question from synchronization. Okay, so the question is given below is a program and executed spawns to concurrent process. Okay, so semaphores has been given as S0. Okay, fine, and process now forks into. So semaphores S has been given as 0 and process now forks into concurrent process P1 and P2. Okay, so there are two processes P1 and P2 have been given out here. So what they have given is P1 they have given as repeat forever, means there will be a loop, right? V of S compute then P of S. Okay, and P2 they have given as repeat forever P of S compute V of S. Initially what they have given, semaphore S is equals to 0. So in the semaphores when we denoted P is denoted for wait and V is denoted for signal. Okay, so you are seeing that first here signal is there, so S will be changed to 1, right? So as soon as S will be changed to 1, this compute will be followed, and after compute it has again until unless it won't give a wait signal, it cannot means here also it is waiting, because P2 is waiting because it is P of S, means P of 0 is there, so it is in a waiting condition. Until and unless it will not release the signal, it cannot change to V of S. Okay, so when V of S will perform, compute will perform. Now you see that here is a critical means due to the critical section problem, the P1 is signaled first so that P2 will wait and do the calculation, right? So since there is a loop, may go to the waiting, it may not, I'm telling, it may not go to the waiting and never starve for resources. And this case will be reversed by considering the P2, because P2 itself starting is in the waiting state. If P1 will not release the signal, the P2 will be starved and will never get a signal, and it will remain in the waiting state. Okay, so it might be possible that P2 will be continue with this, P2 will start but P1 may or may not start. Okay, so that's why what are the options they have given as. So in the options they have given first condition, they have, it is possible for process P1 to starve. Okay, it's possible for process P2 to starve. Okay, so 2 is always true, it is possible for process P2 to starve, but it is not possible that P1 will starve, because always P1 will start with a signal process because it is V of S, so it will always go with the signal. Okay, so it will never starve for the resources. Okay, so that's why first is false, second is true. So which option is matching? 2 is true but 1 is false, right? So our option is C. Answer is C, right? Thank you.